Ancient books say that the black cat is the living embodiment of evil. And that evil enters into the nearest living thing. It is
The black cat does not die. Those same books, if I am not mistaken, teach that the black cat is deathless. Deathless as evil.
You want to come out? Uh-huh. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Come on. You can carry him. Come on.
Now, you know what we might want to do is put a little towel.
Lucky's
Here's some water.
here. Let me try it higher. Come and get it.
Here that rival actors and actresses normally show each other, even at auditions in London's West End. In fact, claws are openly bared. For this audition's being held to find a black cat for a new play at a salary magnificent by cat standards, £3 a week, plus milk, plus fish, and no income tax. Actor Jimmy Hanley is among the judges. Grace Arnold, who has to hold the cat in the play, tries them out for size and temperament.